Welcome to Unreal World.
Get third. Fourth place for white, still no ways for white. Noah Hartman. So time calls.
What an amazing day to be here, and I mean, what an amazing place Nazaré is, and to be involved in the first one was special. But to make the final, I was stoked. But to win is just like blowing my mind right now. So.
You know, to all 24 competitors, you know, they all gave 100% today, and they deserve a huge applause because they put on a show. It's been a stalwart from the very beginning. The highest heat totals, Mayor Walter Chichoro giving the award. There it is, your champ. Douse him. Right here, guys. The Corona showers begin. His second shower of the day. He had the highest heat totals throughout the day in the final in 883. Congratulations. Folks at home watching on the broadcast, check out all the highlights.
Today was next level. It was survival. It was just heavy, and I've seen Nick Lamb, all these guys take horrendous wipeouts all around the world, and Nick was messed up out the back. You know, I was like, hey, you probably shouldn't catch another wave. You know, like, I mean, it was gnarly, and I'm stoked. I want to dedicate this to my wife and my young little daughter who's 15 months. They're in California at the moment.
Thanks for watching. Leave your comments, share, and subscribe.